In this tutorial, I'll show you how to format images in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page containing the image you want to format. Click on the image to open its editing options. To modify the image itself, click Edit Image. Here you can crop the image, apply filters, adjust brightness and contrast, add text overlays, and make other visual enhancements. If you want to use a different image, click Replace Image and upload a new one from your computer while keeping the image in the same position on the page. You can also customize how the image behaves and appears by enabling the lightbox option, adding a link, changing the alignment, adjusting the spacing, or adding a caption below the image. For additional settings, open the advanced options. Here you can edit the border, style and color, adjust the border thickness, and add alt text to improve your website's accessibility and SEO. Once you're happy with your changes, save and publish your website to make the updated image formatting live. That's how to format images in Weebly. Thanks for watching.